Like me, man. I love the game. I love the hustle, man. Be feeling like one of the ball playing, you know, Bird Magic or something. Yeah, you know what the brick though. Believe. What if I leave? The fans still gonna love me, man.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. We're gonna be heading out to our first car meet of the year, and I'm gonna be bringing you guys along with us. So this car is gonna stay here because there is no point in bringing two Hellcats, and Matt's gonna be driving the blue Hellcat and I'm gonna be driving the GT500. So this is gonna be a super exciting meet, just because this isn't like your regular old little meet. This is a meet that will have thousands of cars there, super professional meet, and I'm just excited to go check out all the cars there. Look how clean the Hellcat is. It looks so good slammed, and this thing looks like a truck sitting that high. So if you guys are wondering why I haven't been racing my GT500 lately, that's because we are still running into issues with this thing. Basically what it's doing is when the car shifts from third gear to fourth gear, it's pulling a lot of timing, causing it to go super slow and lose a lot of power. That's what timing means. When the car's pulling timing, you lose power, and we just don't know why it's doing that. Me and my tuner have been going back and forth literally for the past 2 weeks. This issue has been happening. Even when I raced the bike, this issue has been happening. Even when I raced the Corvette, the issue has been happening. We really didn't catch it until I raced the bike. It's been doing it this whole time. We just didn't see it. I guess the tuner didn't pay attention to it. But now we know that it's pulling a lot of timing from third to fourth gear, which means after 100 miles per hour, the car falls on its face. So we are literally on our 15th tune revision, and we still don't know what's causing this issue to happen. And because of that, I haven't been racing the car because I don't want to lose races because the car is not running right. We got Johnny. How you doing, Johnny? We got the M5. We got the Hellcat. How was the drive?
I gotta use the bathroom.
Let's start with this. Look how beautiful this thing is. RSQ8 with these beautiful bronze wheels. Bronze looks so good with black. And then you got the Aston here with orange brakes. Like that. Nice little touch. You have the M8. Beautiful color, same blue as the one on Johnny's car. You have a 600 LT here. I like the green touches on there. Look at that. You got the green brakes. Okay, that's messed up. You got the Huracan. You have the beautiful Urus with the biggest brakes in the car game. Literally, like I think this is the biggest brakes you can get on a car. And then you have a C8 and then a C7. And check out this beautiful Hellcat. So this thing started out as a skinny body, and then the owner put his own custom wide body kit on there. Look at the wheels. Love the wheels. Look at the side skirt. Wow. Look at that. And then got this. Wow, this thing is so wide and it's literally slammed to the ground. Look how wide these tires are. Wow, this thing is beautiful. I do think it has an air ride suspension, so it does go up and down. Obviously, he's not gonna drive like this. And then you also have another wide body car, this GTR, and the plate says thick. I mean, it is thick. Look at the diffuser. Look at this. Wow. You can see the tire right in there. Look at these beautiful wheels. Wow, these are 325. That's how wide the tires are. I love the color, and the brakes match with the color of the car. Look at the hood. Wow, this is one of the most beautiful wide body kits I've ever seen on a car. And then we have a Supra right there. Look at this thing. And the steering wheel is right there. Look at that. Oof. These are beautiful wheels. Wow. And then look, right-hand drive. This thing is clean with the carbon fiber right here. Wow, this thing is super clean. And then we got the coolest van here. It says Mo's van. Look at this thing. It's slammed. Nice wheels. I mean, if you have a family, you gotta ride in style, right? I like this. This is pretty cool. And then we got the Fast and Furious car with the carbon fiber hood, racing seats. Look at that. And this huge APR wing. Look at this thing. It's from Arizona. I really like the new Escalades, and look what this guy did. It's satin brown with these Giovanni wheels. I like that. I like that a lot. Check out this Durango Hellcat with the 4Gs. I think that's 4Gs. It had an F on it. Yeah, that sounds good. And here we have a 2,000 horsepower Charger RT. Look how clean the engine bay is. Wow. Sick. You got the skinnies in the front, and the big tire in the back. Look at this thing. Wow. That's clean. Let me show you guys the interior. Oh yeah. 2,000 horsepower, bro.
I think I'd kill myself.
You probably would kill yourself with just 500.
Bro, I had a Hellcat. What do you mean?
Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm sorry. I forgot. Look, 2,000 horsepower.
I had a track off.
That's sick. I like it. And then we got these little cars. Look at them drifting. Look at this thing. Look at this. Now that's cool. So what these goggles do is they basically give you a point of view of one of these cars. So while he's driving those cars, Matt could see as if he was riding in those cars. Yeah, because they're right next to each other. So like there's a camera in there that he could see through it, which is super cool. And check out this beautiful blue Beetle. And look at the white interior. Look, even blue on the inside. This thing is cool. And then you got a 720S with the orange brakes. I love this color. And you got this. This is sick. Look at the wheels. Wow. I love these new Audis. I'm liking them a lot more lately. And then look at this purple Supra. Wow, wow, wow. This is a clean Supra. Look at this thing. Wow. Look at that. Everything in here is purple. Look at that. That's purple, everything. This is clean. Wow. Right-hand drive as well. Look at that. And then you got another one. I like the wheels on this one. Cool Supras, but look at this truck. Oh my God. Look at this F-250. Look at that. Everything is white. Matching grills, bumpers. Down here. Holy moly. Look at the wheels. Forgiato wheels. Everything is white. Look at that. Wow. This is, wow. That is an expensive truck. And here's the next meet. If you guys want to come to it, I'll most likely be there. All right, guys, so it's the next day, and as you can see, we got some goodies back here, and you guys are gonna be super excited about the goodies. I think they're probably gonna be somewhere in the title of the video, so I'm not clickbaiting. I know you guys had to wait until the end of the video to see what's in these boxes, but I'm pulling up to MC Whips, and I'm gonna open them up and show you guys the next modification to the GT500. Okay, here is the coolest TRX color. Look at this thing. Oh my God, I love this new color. It's like a sand color. Let me put the windows down and show you guys. Look at that. That is so cool. I really wish they had that color when I bought my TRX. The red is cool, but that sand color fits the truck really well. So now let's see what's in the boxes. We got 1, 2, 3 boxes, and look who it's from. Nitrous Outlet. Look at all this stuff they sent me. So we got this box, which has most of the nitrous setup, and this box I believe has the bottles. So, well, not bottles, just one bottle. All right, so we got this, this is the gauge. I'm gonna throw that, and here's my favorite part, the bottle. Looks so cool. All right, let's take it out of its packaging, and let's put it on here. Oh, set it down slowly. All right, here it is. We got Nitrous from Nitrous Outlet. Shout out to them for sending me all of this. I think we got another bottle in here. It's in there, but the main setup is here, which I don't think we're gonna open in today's video because we're not gonna install it, but I definitely wanna show you guys the other bottle. So let's get this package out and put it on the Hellcat. All right, so let's open that. Well, actually, let's put it down. All right, so I think there is another bottle in here. They did tell me they sent me 2. Okay, so we got another bottle, some hose right here. Look at that. Look at all this stuff. I don't know nothing about this stuff. I'm new to this. I've never had nitrous on my cars before. Let's see what we got here. We got another gauge. I don't know why we got like 1,000 gauges, but we got this. Look how cool that is. Oh, look at that. And then you got a shirt. And then we got another bottle. All right, let's put them here now. So we got 2 bottles. And yeah, we're gonna send it very hard, huh?
With that juice.
What that juice do. So never had nitrous on any of my cars. This is the first time I've ever gotten nitrous for my cars, and I'm kind of scared. And here's a closer look at that TRX I showed you guys earlier. This color is on the money. My favorite color in these trucks, and it also has the black bead locks. So when the TRXs first came out, the bead locks used to only come in silver. Now they offer them in black, which makes the look of the truck so much better. I know you guys didn't see that coming, but we got nitrous for the GT500. It's obviously not gonna get installed right now just because we gotta figure out the GT500 first, and then we can install the nitrous. There's no point in installing nitrous when the car is not figured out. So stay tuned for a lot more updates and a lot more mods for the car. Working on a bunch of new sponsorships, so we got a lot coming. Also, a new car is gonna come very, very soon. Stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoyed the last video where I ordered a jailbreak. If you haven't watched that video, go back and watch it. But now it's time to let you guys go. I love you guys and thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.